determine the area of the shaded region. We have the graph, we have the straight line graph, y equal to 2x. The quadratic graph. The quadratic graph has an equation of y equal to s squared minus 3. The thing to do now is to find the intersection two graphs where they meet. Y equal to s squared. This one move to other side, move it to other side, equal to 0. So we can factorize this expression. So 3 is 3 and 1, so that will be minus 3 plus 1. X minus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So s is equal to 3 or minus 1. So that's it, where the graph lies. Set up the areas of the equation, and that will be integral is minus 1. So that means there's an intersection at this point. This is your minus 1. Okay, so that's your minus 1. And then 3. And on top, the upper curve. Okay, the area is always the upper curve minus the lower curve. And the lower curve is what? S squared minus 2 minus 3. So to find the area is very simple. Just look at the curve. You have two curves here. You have the straight line, which is on top layer to your what? To your open up graph. So it's going to be this straight line minus what? These are quadratic graph. Okay, that's what we have done. Then the next thing to do is to open the brackets, minus s squared. Minus times minus, that's a plus 3. So let's begin to integrate now. So this will be equal to what? This one having power 1 plus 1, that's 2s squared over 2. Then this will be what? This will be what? The power is power 2 plus 1, that's x cubed over 3. This one, don't forget your dx. This one will be what? Plus 3x. Your upper and your lower limits. So that's what we have now. These two we cancel. We can substitute the upper limits, the upper boundary. So that will be equal to 3 squared, that's 9. This one, 3 cubed, that's minus 27 over 3. Then plus 3 times 3, that's 9. So that's the upper boundary. Then minus the lower boundary. Do that, that's minus 1. Minus 1 squared, that's 1. And this one, that will give you plus 1 over 3. And then minus 3 for the lower points, lower limits, or lower boundary. So that's what we have in this case. So this one and this one we cancel. 27 over 3 is 9. So that one cancel. So we have 9 minus 1 minus 1 over 3 plus 3. So it's going to give us 9 minus 1, that's 8, plus 3, that's 11, minus 1 over 3. And that will be equal to what? 33 minus 1, that's 32 over 3. So that's the area of the shaded region. So it's very simple. Find your point of intersection. After that, look at the graphs. Which one is on the upper layer? So the one on the upper layer minus the one on the lower layer. You set up the area and then you do your integrations and you get your answer. Okay, please don't forget there's a watermark on the video. Now click on it, right? So that anytime I upload, you get notified. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.